Before installing the audio system on the Yamaha VX WaveRunner, make sure that the unit is level and secure on a stand or trailer. It's recommended to have the factory service manual nearby for reference. You'll need a few tools to complete this installation. These include a drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit, a torque wrench with a 7/16 socket, and a 5/8 wrench. The kit also comes with the speakers, T-bolt couplers, and speaker and ram ball mounts with associated nuts and washers. Start by cutting out the VX template from the provided sheet. Use painter's tape to hold the template in position. Now place the template by matching the edges of the template to the style lines of the VX. Using the center mark on the template, mark the drill point location on the WaveRunner plastic. Drill the marked location with a 1/4-inch drill. Be sure to only drill through the plastic and not anything underneath. Now flip the paper over and drill the other side using the same hole as a guide. Be sure to only drill through the plastic and not anything underneath. Next, remove both seats. Then open the glove box storage lid and gently remove the storage compartment and keep it for reinstallation. Now position the ball mount into the drilled hole. With a washer and lock nut in hand, reach through the center storage lid and first place the washer and then the nut on the ball mount. Finger tighten the ball mount. Next, use a 5/8 wrench and torque wrench with a 7/16 socket to torque to specifications. Repeat for the other side. Now reinstall the glove box. And reinstall both seats. Install the round base ram ball into the bottom of the speaker and hand tighten. Attach the ram coupler to the ball mount that you've mounted on the unit, and then the speaker to the coupler. Tighten the T-bolt on the coupler. Keep the T-bolt facing to the outside, and ensure the speakers are oriented so that they don't restrict access to the front hatch. Repeat for the other side. Thanks for watching.